UV spectroscopy, the problem and the information regarding to it. Okay, so what is first of all the spectroscopy? Here is the interaction between electromagnetic radiation and the substance under investigation. Means what? It is the interaction between the electromagnetic radiation, मतलब अगर कोई substance है, हमने उसको UV spectroscopy में रख दिया है, तो उसके जो interaction होगा, इंटरेक्शन होगा उसके बीच मॉलिक्यूल्स में, बाय दिस इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन, उसकी स्टडी करना, मतलब यूवी स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी का स्टडी करना. सो दैट हियर व्हेन सब्सटेंस अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज सब्जेक्टेड टू द एक्शन of UV visible radiation that causes changes in electromagnetic this causes changes in electronic energy levels within the molecules. मतलब now the problem on alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Okay, this is the alpha beta unsaturated ketone. In this case, here is the condition for alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This is the ketone present which is in conjugation with double bond. So this is called as the alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This is the alpha position for this carbonyl, and this is the beta position. Okay, now here the base value for the alpha beta unsaturated ketone is, basic value क्या है इसका, 215. basic value is equals to 215 millimicron. Okay, now this is the basic value for unsaturated ketone. After that, here is the अल्फा पोजीशन पे हम देखेंगे तो अल्फा पोजीशन पे वन OH ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट हियर, दैट इज अल्कोहल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अल्फा पोजीशन के लिए हमारे पास वैल्यू है इंक्रीमेंट है, दैट इज अल्फा पोजीशन के लिए इंक्रीमेंट क्या आएगा, वन OH प्रेजेंट ऑन अल्फा पोजीशन, तो इसके लिए इंक्रीमेंट आएगा 35 millimicron. After that, this is the beta position, this beta carbon in which two methyl groups are present. This is also beta position, so that the two methyl group are present on beta position, so that two beta methyl group on beta position एंड बीटा पोजीशन पे अगर अल्काइल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है तो उसके लिए इंक्रीमेंट आ जाएगा 24, दैट इज 12 इंटू टू दैट इज 24 मिलीमाइक्रोन, 12 into 2 that is 24 millimicron. So this is the base value, and the group which are present on this ring, that is OH group and 2 methyl group. After the calculation के बाद क्या आएगा, 274 millimicron. It is the calculated value. This is the calculated value lambda max and millimicron में आ जाएगा. So this is for alpha beta unsaturated ketone. This is the lambda max. Okay. Now lambda max for this alpha beta unsaturated ketones के लिए हमें lambda max निकालना है. In this case, this is the case of extended conjugation as well as the cross conjugation case. In this case, how the cross conjugation happens, like in this lone pair of this here is the case of cross conjugation. In this middle of, that is A ring, B ring and C ring. In this B ring, this is the cross conjugation condition, that is where this double bond is shifted towards this, so that this will break down. Similarly, in this case also, when this double bond shifts here, so this will be break. So this is called as the cross conjugation, in which the two possibles are there for the conjugation in the alpha beta system. In this case, here ऐसे केस में अगर क्रॉस कंजुगेशन होता है तो हमें क्या करना है कि प्रायोरिटी लैम्डा मैक्स निकालने के लिए जहाँ से हायर सब्सटेंट है उसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, उस साइड से कैलकुलेट करेंगे। यहाँ पे दो मिथाइल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है इन दिस अल्फा बीटा unsaturated ketones. In this case there are four groups present, so that we go by this ring, so that we can calculate the lambda max for this compound. So that here now the basic value for alpha beta unsaturated ketones is, इसका बेसिक वैल्यू है 250 मिली माइक्रोन. Okay, now this is the alpha beta system, in which here we are consider this is as alpha beta system, in which this is the alpha position, this is beta position, and this is gamma position. Gamma position, in which here is on alpha position there is a ring residue, one ring residue, that is this chain of alpha beta unsaturated system is going this by this way, so that this is the alpha position there, so there is the ring residue on this position, so that अल्फा पोजीशन पे रिंग रेसिड्यू है, तो इसके लिए हमें इंक्रीमेंट आएगा 10 मिली माइक्रोन, सो दैट वी कैन राइट लाइक वन अल्फा रिंग रेसिड्यू. तो इसके लिए इंक्रीमेंट आ जाएगा 10 मिली माइक्रोन. Okay, now for beta, this is the alpha position for this carbonyl, and this is beta position. In this case beta position पे भी वन यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो वन रिंग रेसिड्यू है, because this chain is going like this, so this is the one ring residue, one beta ring residue. उसके लिए आ जाएगा 12 मिली माइक्रोन. After that this is the alpha beta and this is gamma position, in which this is the gamma position, in which there is also ring residue on this this chain. ये जो चेन है अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड कीटोन्स की, यहाँ पे एंड हो जाएगा. तो इसके लिए ये जो होगा वो ये रिंग के लिए रिंग रेसिड्यू हो जाएगा ऑन द डेल्टा पोजिशन, सो दैट because this is alpha beta gamma and this is delta bond, this is gamma position and this is delta bond, delta position, in which there is a ring residue, so that there is one delta ring residue, and डेल्टा पोजीशन पे रिंग रेसिड्यू है, इसलिए इसका 18 आएगा, 18 मिली माइक्रोन. आफ्टर दैट if we consider this like this is alpha beta conjugated system, that is alpha beta, तो ये जो डबल बॉन्ड है वो क्या एक्सटेंडेड कॉन्जुगेशन में आ जाएगा. ठीक है, एक्सटेंडेड कॉन्जुगेशन में आएगा, तो एक्सटेंडेड कॉन्जुगेशन के लिए वैल्यू आएगा इसका 30 मिली माइक्रोन. वन एक्सटेंडेड कॉन्जुगेशन, इसका वैल्यू आ जाएगा 30 मिली माइक्रोन, because this is the extended means the double bond which is extra on this conjugated system. This is the, so that it is a extended conjugation system for this alpha beta unsaturated ketones. After that there is the case of homoannular diene, because the homoannular means the two double bond are present on same ring. This is the homoannular diene position, because these are dienes in which two double bond are present on the same ring, so that it is the homoannular diene. So that the value is for homoannular diene is 39 millimicron, and after this calculation the lambda max value is found to be 324 millimicron. And 324 millimicron, this is the calculated value for this whole structure, in which there is alpha beta unsaturated ketone is present in extended manner, as well as the homoannular diene is also present alpha beta position as well as delta and gamma position are also present in this structure. So this was very important problem. So